Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some of the best Blender add-ons for simulations and visual effects. These tools will save you a ton of time and help you create jaw-dropping results. Whether you're into explosions, particles, or water simulations, there's something here for you. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Kicking things off with the Flip Fluids add-on. It is arguably one of the best simulation add-ons for Blender when it comes to liquid effects. It is a tool that helps you set up, run, and render liquid simulation effects all within Blender. Their custom-built fluid engine is based around the popular flip simulation technique that is also found in many other professional liquid simulation tools. The Flip Fluids engine has been in constant development since 2016 with a large focus on tightly integrating the simulator into Blender as an add-on. It just feels like a native Blender tool. So basically, it's a complete fluid simulation tool you will ever need for Blender to create realistic fluid simulations. If you want to read more about it, you can find the link to it in the description below. It handles everything from small water drops to large bodies of water, complete with foam, bubbles, and spray particles. If you're working on liquid simulations in Blender, this is your go-to tool for high-quality results. Next, we have Cell Fluids, a revolutionary add-on for real-time fluid simulations. Imagine bringing your 3D scenes to life with fluid dynamics that are not just realistic, but fast and lightweight, all within Blender. Cell Fluids harnesses the power of geometry nodes to create breathtaking 2.5D fluid simulations that are both interactive and visually stunning. Whether you're working with EV or cycles, this add-on seamlessly integrates to ensure peak performance. For game developers, Cell Fluids simplifies exporting baked flow maps to Unity or Unreal Engine. You can even bake any fluid state into a static mesh with a flow map, giving you ultimate control and flexibility. Up next, we have RBD Lab. This add-on is a beast when it comes to physics-based simulations. RBD Lab is a revolutionary tool for Blender. From fracturing objects, destroying them, and creating details with debris, dust, and smoke, to deforming metal, creating cloth, and soft bodies, all using rigid bodies, allowing an interaction between different types of simulations never seen before in Blender, and even handling particle simulations, all within one linear process. No more jumping between different tools to get the job done. And if you want to go even further, RBD Lab lets you trigger particle emissions only from broken pieces and deactivate constraints on contact, meaning more realism with less effort. RBD Lab has been in development for over 2 years. It has become more than just an add-on. It's essentially a complete simulation software within Blender. Now we have RBC, a powerful physics-based vehicle rigging add-on that makes rigging vehicles super easy and intuitive. It's perfect for creating realistic rigs in just a few minutes. With its quick rig feature, all you need to do is select your vehicle, click a button, and boom, you're ready to go. What really stands out with RBC is that it helps you create natural physics-based car animations in Blender super easy. The guide tool lets you assign paths or objects to control your vehicle's movement. Whether you want a car following a smooth path or something more complex, RBC gives you full control. Want collision? No problem. RBC also supports realistic collisions, making it super easy to set up objects your vehicle can interact with, perfect for crash simulations or any object-to-vehicle interaction. And if you want some real-time fun, RBC even supports game controllers and keyboard inputs, so you can test drive your rigs directly in Blender. RBC makes car rigging and physics-based animation accessible to everyone. Next up, we have WhatAriel. Have you ever tried making a realistic shoreline or ocean scene? Then you know how challenging it can be. That's where WhatAriel comes in. This add-on simplifies the process of creating animated water surfaces using far fewer resources than traditional fluid simulations. With WhatAriel, you can quickly generate low-memory, animated water surfaces without sacrificing detail or performance. It's perfect for large scenes where performance is key, and the node-based workflow allows for easy material adjustments on the fly. Now it's time for Chaos. Chaos add-on is a game-changer for filmmakers and 3D artists looking to create jaw-dropping explosions and realistic destruction scenes in Blender 3D. Whether you're crafting fiery infernos, smoke-filled blasts, or intricate debris fields, Chaos streamlines your VFX process with incredible efficiency and stunning results. And with the new detonator update to the Chaos add-on, this new system includes customizable mesh emitters that allow users to visualize and refine their explosion emitters more easily. With Chaos Detonator, you can quickly create complex explosion systems with visual tools. Customize emitters to suit your specific needs. Chaos Detonator takes the guesswork out of creating stunning explosions, making it easier than ever to bring your explosive visions to life. Last but not least, we have Fluid Lab. Fluid Lab is a powerful tool for generating realistic simulations of fluids, viscous bodies, slimes, and other fluids. You don't need a domain. You can create your simulations in real time in the viewport, no need to wait for an invisible bake. You can interact different emitters with different densities, viscosities, or behaviors. Is designed to work optimally with small and medium-scale fluids. You will have access to presets and different shaders, water, lava, blood, etc. You can export them in Alembic in a simple way, so you can use your simulations wherever you want. You can also create amazing effects with particles, such as sand, mud, and the list goes on. Fluid Lab is compatible with RBD Lab and can interact in amazing ways. Break a glass full of wine, or shatter a metal can and the liquid inside will disperse. So if you want to create small and real-time simulations of any type of fluid, then Fluid Lab is the tool you need. And finally, we have VDB Lab, which is also created by the folks at Fluid and RBD Lab. VDB Lab is a powerful tool for creating explosions. From emitters to domain settings and a powerful shader, you can create and save presets of your explosions. Shockwaves, aerials, debris. The possibilities are endless. You can see on the screen how good the explosions are. You can learn a lot more about it from the page which I have given in the description below. That wraps up our list of the best Blender add-ons for simulations and visual effects. Whether you're creating explosions, water simulations, or particle effects, these tools will take your projects to the next level. If you want to check any of these add-ons out, I've included the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.